In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view completed tasks in ClickUp, a powerful productivity platform designed to help you organize your work and your thoughts efficiently. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's jump right into it. Managing your tasks effectively is crucial, especially when you want to review what you've completed and measure your progress. The good news is that viewing completed tasks in ClickUp is quite simple, and I'll take you through this process step by step. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to find your completed tasks within ClickUp. First, let's start by accessing your ClickUp workspace. You'll want to head over to your specific list, board, or table where you typically manage your tasks. This is your workspace, the central hub where all your tasks live, whether they are still pending or have been completed. It's important to be in the right area, as this sets the stage for effectively filtering through your tasks to find those you've already finished. Once you're in your workspace, let's direct our attention to the top of the interface. Here, you'll find the Filter button. The filter feature in ClickUp is incredibly useful and a total game changer for your productivity. It allows you to streamline your view so you can focus on exactly what you want to see. So go ahead and click on that Filter button to open the filter options. This is where the magic really happens, as these options will help you gain clarity on your task list. Next up, it's essential to ensure that your archived tasks are turned off, unless you specifically want to see them. Why do we do this? Well, if you keep archived tasks visible, your view might get cluttered. This clutter can make it harder for you to focus on the recently completed tasks, which is our goal here. By setting archived tasks to off, you ensure that only the tasks you currently care about are shown. This keeps your workspace clean and organized. With a view of archived tasks hidden, we're ready to add a specific filter to zero in on our completed tasks. In the filter options, look for the status category. Here, you'll want to set this to Is, and then from the choices available, select Closed. Now, the term Closed typically signifies the tasks that you've marked as finished. Depending on how your workspace is set up, you might actually have several different statuses that denote a task being done. So make sure to select all statuses that fall under the Completed category. This way, ClickUp will gather all relevant tasks that you've marked as complete, ensuring you leave no stone unturned. Once you've applied the filter with the status set to Closed, take a look at your screen. You should see your completed tasks displayed alongside any active ones you've opted to view. This setup provides you with a comprehensive perspective on what you've already accomplished. It's a great feeling to see how much you've achieved, and this can truly motivate you as you plan your future tasks. So there you have it, an absolutely straightforward method to view completed tasks in ClickUp. This process not only helps you track your progress, but also keeps you organized and motivated by visually reminding you of all your accomplishments. And remember, it's always a good idea to revisit and adjust your filters whenever necessary as your work evolves over time. Thanks for watching. I hope you find this method helpful and that it makes your experience in ClickUp smoother and more productive. If you learned something today, please take a moment to subscribe and hit that like button. Happy organizing!